Hey y'all, it's your girl Ikea back with another video. On my channel, I give girl advice, I share my life experiences, and I just share a whole bunch of girly things because I love being a girl, and why not? In this video, I'm going to be showing y'all some cute hairstyles that I've been doing lately. I would say this is like y2k themed. I know that's really in right now, and those styles are honestly so freaking cute. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I hope y'all enjoy, and let's get into the video. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you liked these styles because they are so easy, cute, and quick to do. Like, I be doing this before work, and I go to work at 6:30 a.m. So like, that's how quick these styles be. And like I said, they're so versatile and just fun. I really hope you liked it, and let me know which style was your favorite. I think my favorite is the half a pep down with the claw clip and the pieces coming up. Like, I don't know, that style just slays like every time. But these are cute too, like the buns, and I love to have it messy because it's just so cute, but it's adorable. And yeah, and the 2 pieces, you gotta have them. They just like, look at it with no pieces versus pieces. Like, oh, I hope y'all enjoyed. Thank you so much to my new subscribers. We are on the way to 400 subscribers. I remember hitting 100 subscribers and I was geeked, and now we're almost at 4. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see more videos that are just like girly fun. And you know, if you don't have a big sister or you need some girl advice, make sure you watch my videos. I will see y'all later. Mwah.